Got a 370Z here. Car is in great shape. The headlights just started to haze up. The owner caught it just in time. The car is gorgeous. See it? Slight haze to it. He wanted to address it right away, which is great because it will come out great in the long run. Thank God he didn't wait too long. Here's the finished product. Look at that. Like brand new. It's best. Don't wait too long. Look at that. Like diamonds. Give us a call. South Florida, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Text us your pictures. Give us a call. And we'll take care of your vehicle just like it's ours. 754-302-0769.